From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The Nagrota operation is the biggest ever proof against Pakistan, and this proof is for the world to see. But there is one group in India that has chosen silence. Tonight, as the Indian Army sends an uncompromising message on terror, the pressure is on the Gupkar League. Its cheerleaders and the pseudos who quip about intelligence failures to make their stand clear. You are either with India or against it. Let's debate.
5 a.m., Buntol Plaza, Nagrota. This truck carrying 4 infiltrated Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists is intercepted by our forces. What ensues is a 3-hour gun battle in which our forces score a major victory by crushing the Pakistan-backed Jaish terrorists. The terror truck is blown up and message sent to the enemy. The Pakistani imprint is crystal clear. These Karachi-made medicines with Pak markings are a giveaway. They were heavily armed with 7.5 kgs of RDX, 11 AK rifles, 3 pistols, 24 magazines, 29 grenades and 6 UBGL grenades, and planned to execute a Fedayeen strike in the valley ahead of the upcoming DDC elections.
Security forces have recovered a huge cache of arms and ammunition from the 4 terrorists killed in Jammu's Nagrota encounter. All the 4 terrorists were affiliated to terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed and were Pakistanis. The forces have recovered 29 grenades from these terrorists. Apart from these grenades, the forces have also recovered 11 AK series rifle, 3 pistol, 7.5 kg of RDX.
Our forces have made their intent clear with their uncompromising action.
हर एक बार हर एक सीनियर ऑफिसर ने बता चुके आप लोगों को बीएसएफ साइड से आर्मी के साइड से कि लगभग 200 से 250 मिलिटेंट तैयार आने के लिए, लेकिन इससे सिक्योरिटी फोर्स पूरे मुस्तैद है। आप देखे होंगे पिछले बार जो LOC पे फायरिंग हुई थी और प्रयास यही था पाकिस्तान का कि इन्फिल्ट्रेट कराने के लिए, लेकिन हमारी सिक्योरिटी फोर्स आर्मी पूरी तैयार है उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए।
Pakistan's attempt to disrupt the first major political activity in Jammu and Kashmir after the abrogation of Article 370 has been foiled.
Repeated calls for restraint and adherence to the ceasefire understanding of 2003 for maintaining peace and tranquility, Pakistani forces continue to engage in providing supporting cover fire to infiltrators. The incessant infiltration of terrorists and induction of weapons to fuel terror activities continues unabated. Such activities are not possible without the support of Pakistani forces.
What also has been foiled in the process is the hypocrisy of the pro-Pakistan Gupkar gang and its allies. Their wishy-washy response to the repeated Pakistan-sponsored terror attacks reveal how they want to plunge Kashmir and Kashmiris into terror and turmoil. Let's debate.
On the debate tonight, Sanju Verma, Ratan Sharda, Brigadier Anil Gupta, Major Gaurav Arya, Ahmad Ayaz, Majid Haidari, and Wani Yasmin. But I want to begin with, getting Anand on the debate tonight. You see, Anand, there has been a major intelligence failure. There has been a major intelligence failure by Vivek Jingping, who has not been able to explain how the Indian forces got such precise intelligence that all the money sent by his favorite country through Pakistan for these explosives. And how is it, Mr. Vivek Jingping, I really want to know, that the Indian intelligence agencies, who you always like abusing for intelligence failures, managed to get such precise intelligence that they located the truck and blew it up? Vivek, can you explain your intelligence failure to Anand Ranganathan on the top of the debate tonight,
no,
please?
it's good.
And
It's
don't
good.
be embarrassed.
It's good.
Explain it properly. No, no. If you are,
we are not embarrassed.
At
We
least
are very happy that the intelligence agencies of this
It's not
nation,
uncommon.
at least there is some success to boast of.
It
After
happens
so many
every day, wakes
failures
up.
and so many soldiers being martyred, I'm happy at least the intelligence gave some useful report. However, I mean, if this justifies
Vivek, you
not
were the
talking
one-
to Pakistan, we don't
But the
stand for
intelligence
it.
failure
We
is
must
yours.
talk to
During
the neighbors.
Pulwama, that the RDX was supplied by
No.
BJP and RSS. You said the RDX came from BJP and RSS. Are you going
Yeah.
to take back your
It could have been
words?
supplied
I
by
was there
anyone. It
on
could
this
have been
very
supplied
channel when
by
you said
SIT.
this.
That is not the question.
he said that. He said that. He said
You
that.
said
He said that on the
RDX
channel.
was supplied.
I never said
RDX
that.
was supplied
I
by
never said
BJP and
that.
RSS. Will you
He
take
said
back your
that.
words
The
now?
RDX was supplied by the BJP. However, yes, the BJP was trying to use it to win the elections. It was trying to make it an election agenda. It was trying to show it as an advertising, poster. That was the bad part of what the BJP did. And it was trying to polarize votes.
Advertising poster. 44 of our men got killed, and you call it an advertising poster. What a shameless comment from you. Sanju Verma is
This
on
is
the
just
debate.
shocking.
I thought you would have improved in the last 15 days since I saw you last.
Absolutely
Why
shocked.
don't you question the BJP?
He's
about
become
what
worse.
the BJP
Sanju
did?
Verma is on the debate.
The BJP
Sanju Verma is on the
made it
debate
an
on the enemy within
election-
Sanju
an election
Verma.
agenda, and nobody questions the
Arnab.
BJP.
Today,
What is this man talking?
Sanju Verma.
I want to come. Yeah.
I'm talking about the BJP
Arnab,
agenda.
let me put
of
some
trying
things
to
out
sell
in the
Indian
public
army
domain.
to win elections.
Okay. Okay, I heard you. Now, please, let me have my say, then you can give your rebuttal.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let me put some points out there in the public domain for the benefit of your audience, Arnab. The fact of the matter is that this Gupkar declaration first came into being on the 4th of August 2019, just a day before the Parliament unequivocally abrogated and revoked Article 370 under the aegis of Narendra Modi. And they said, under the Gupkar declaration, we are signing this declaration to protect the identity, autonomy of Jammu and Kashmir and to retain its special status. And who were the signatories? It was the usual suspects: National Conference, Mufti, as in the PDP, JKPC, ANS, CPIM. The fact of the matter is these guys have still not been able to digest the fact that Article 370 and Article 335A are gone for good. Article 370 under Part 21 of the Constitution was always
they
meant
have
to
not
be
gone for good.
temporary,
They have gone for the
transient,
bad.
and
You have removed it, but you have removed
and
it for
never
the bad.
supposed to be
and the
permanent.
results are not very pleasant.
So this Gupkar
The results
lobby
are not
is
very
so
pleasant.
rattled
Kashmir is
today.
still not normal.
This Gupkar lobby is rattled.
No, you forget
Because
about that. I don't
This
think removing
Gupkar
the
lobby
articles
is
has done any great
rattled
benefit.
because they have now realized that they cannot use
Nobody is
political
rattled.
office
Nobody
to
is
make
rattled.
money. Let me give you a
No,
clear
people
example.
like Majid
Let me
Haidari.
give you a clear example.
Nobody is
in
minting money,
2018,
ma'am.
Majid
the
Haidari.
Modi
India was not
government
born in 2014 and we did not get
revoked
independence
the
in
Roshni
2000.
Act.
Silence, let's
The
stop
Modi
shouting.
government revoked the Roshni
Please,
Act.
can we stop shouting?
The Jammu and
Can we
Kashmir
observe
High
2
Court
minutes
said
silence?
that the Roshni
Can we,
Act
madam, can we
is
observe
illegal
collectively 2
and
minutes silence?
unconstitutional. And what does
The
Omar
nation is
Abdullah
paying
say?
tonight.
Omar Abdullah says, look at the audacity of
Madam,
the
the
JNK
nation is
High
paying
Court.
tonight.
It says that the Roshni
Our
Act is
national sovereignty,
unconstitutional.
national security
These
has been
guys are trying to
compromised.
change the demography of Jammu and Kashmir. Look at the audacity
See,
of
madam, can
Omar
we-
Abdullah. Should I tell you something? I
Madam,
think in
can we behave
hindsight,
decently? Can
keeping
we stop
Omar
shouting?
Abdullah, keeping Farooq Abdullah, keeping Mufti
No, I don't want
under
to be a part of a
detention for
shouting match,
14
please.
months was a great step by Amit Shah. Was a great
Madam, I
step
don't
by
want to be
Amit
a part
Shah.
of shouting match.
And let
You-
me tell
you
you
keep
one more
speaking
thing.
kindly.
Why is Farooq Abdullah rattled? Because he's caught in the 133 crore
Madam, will you
Jammu
mind to
and
listen to me
Kashmir
for a moment?
cricket board scam. This
Madam,
man
the nation
is
is in a state
accused
of
of
mourning.
siphoning off
We are in
43
a
crores.
state of mourning
Between
because
2002 and
national security and
2011,
sovereignty has been compromised.
110 crores was
The
given to the
government is
Jammu
offering
and
a
Kashmir
kind of
Cricket
Bharat
Board.
Darshan to foreign
And you know,
investors.
Farooq Abdullah is supposedly
Government is offering
said to have
Bharat Darshan to
siphoned off
foreign
43
investors.
crores. Beat the Roshni
infiltration
Act,
from
beat
Pakistan.
using
We
Article
have military
370A
aggression
for
from China.
self-aggrandizement, beat using
Madam,
Article
forget Pakistani
35A
infiltration.
May I ask you?
subjugate Kashmiri
Forget
Pandits.
this. Forget
the
this
Abdullah
giving.
No, look at
and the
We are not
Muftis,
here for
they
Nautanki.
used to treat
I want to tell you, viewers, Majid, I have just been informed. Majid, I have just been informed.
Kashmir is everybody.
I have
Kashmir
just
belongs to
been
somebody
informed.
Settled in Uttar Pradesh. Kashmir belongs to somebody settled in
I am
Kerala.
shocked
Kashmir
today
belongs
to hear
somebody settled in
Sanju.
Maharashtra. Kashmir belongs to India. It
No,
is
no.
not just the prerogative of the
Madam,
Abdullahs
can
and
we have
Muftis
some- can we
to
have
say
some
that
sensitive
Kashmir
debate
हमारा है.
tonight?
Kashmir हम
This is the
सबका है.
issue of- this is the
Kashmir
issue of
आपका
national
नहीं है.
sovereignty.
Kashmir हम सबका
Our
है.
sovereignty is
And
being
if you have a
compromised.
problem
Our
unfurling the
integrity is being
tricolor,
compromised.
if you have a problem
This
saying
is
Janagana
Pakistani
Mana,
infiltration
if
and
you
Chinese
have a
military
problem
aggression.
saluting our armed forces, then the problem is with you. You need to introspect. The problem is neither with the BJP nor is it there with the RSS.
Madam, the problem is
The
with your
problem is
vision.
with the Mufti
You can't look
Abdullah
at
Next.
that
I would,
You can't look at
Majid, 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute.
Today being declared by Chinese government.
Like an ostrich,
They
you
are-
have your head
they are-
under the
Viewers,
sand. You have your
The
head under the
finger
sand.
4 to finger
Refusing
8
to
in
stare at
China, in
reality.
Ladakh, and they won't give it
Article
back.
370A
They are constructing
is
a
not
road
going to
there.
come back.
And
Article
you have a
35A is not going to come back. You can continue
coming
to
from the
shout
other
in TV
country
studios.
with
You
arms
can
and
continue to
ammunition,
rant in
going
TV
for a
studios.
sightseeing in Jammu
I-
and then going for an encounter in Negrota.
A minute,
What
please,
kind of
viewers.
nonsense
I
is
just,
this?
Majid, allow me, Majid. I continue to focus on those who are silent. And I will continue to emphasize on those who are silent. Mehbooba Mufti is silent, Omar is silent, Farooq is silent, Sajjad Lone is silent.
This is the silence
Why?
of warning.
Allow me, Majid, there are others on the debate as well. Ratan Sharda will debate now with Ahmad Ayaz. They are silent because they are in a state of shock, Ratan Sharda. How did a truck full of explosives collected with such effort by their friends in Pakistan get blown up? These people wanted the truck to come into the Kashmir Valley and they wanted a series of attacks. Omar and Farooq
They
and
were allowed to
Mehbooba
come
wanted
into Indian territory.
dozens of Kashmiris
Who are
killed.
the Gupkar gang
So that
people?
after the killing of Kashmiris using these Pakistani explosives, they could come and say, let us now start talking to Pakistan. They are complete hypocrites. They are quiet tonight. Ratan Sharda, they don't want me to refer to the fact that they are quiet tonight. And my problem is with people like Ahmad Ayaz who do not have the courage to ask why Mehbooba Mufti is quiet tonight.
Gupkar gang.
He does not have the courage to ask why is Mehbooba Mufti quiet tonight.
Who were on the Pakistan
This man,
payroll,
Ahmad Ayaz.
who were pro-Pakistanis or who were on the payroll of earlier central governments, taking off money, taking off security, and there were others who were all doing Nura Kushti, artificial wrestling. If they won the election, they would be nationalists. Those who lost the election would side with the terrorists. But all of them were on the same side. All of them wanted to monopolize Valley. All of them wanted to Islamize the entire Jammu Kashmir, and they lost the plot. They lost the entire plot. People are not with them. How will they speak? These are the people who are looking at Pakistan because Pakistan can never win a war against India. They know this. So their continuous attempt is to bleed India, to bleed Jammu Kashmir, and these people.
No, so when Ratan Sharda, so when you see the pictures, Ratan Sharda, I think the burning of the truck.
Communist Party,
Ratan Sharda, Ratan Sharda,
sovereignty for Kashmir.
Ratan Sharda, may I?
Sitting here, Vivek.
Ratan Sharda, may I step in, please?
His party was on the first
May
line.
I step in, please? May I step in, please, Ratan Sharda? You know, when I saw the pictures for the first time of this RDX laden truck with AK-47s and with the Pakistani ammunition ablaze today, my heart soared. I felt elated. I think every right-thinking Indian should feel that way. But people like Ahmad Ayaz, no, but people like Ahmad Ayaz are in mourning today. Ratan Sharda, ask Ahmad Ayaz why he is not happy.
Had they gone,
Ask Ahmad Ayaz why he is not happy. These are the same hypocrites. Ratan Sharda, after the Pulwama attack, these hypocrites said, how's the Jaish? With 4 Jaish terrorists killed today, I want to ask Ahmad Ayaz, how's the Jaish? With the Jaish being killed every day, I want to ask him, how's the Jaish? I want to ask you, Ahmad Ayaz, and the people of the country will ask people like you and Majid Haidari, we are killing the Jaish. How's the Jaish?
let
They
me
laughed
speak,
at the
Arnab.
central government and the forces.
Let me
No, but
speak.
why are you unhappy today?
They were
It's true
laughing
that-
at the forces and the government when this happened. And
Arnab,
when
let me
surgical
speak.
strike
Let me
happened,
speak,
they
Arnab.
called it surgical strike.
Arnab, let
They
me
were
speak.
laughing at the surgical strike, same people.
You see,
No, first you tell
I
me
tell
why
you, it
surgical
is
strike
very
was called
true
surgical
that in
strike.
case
Why you people
these
are
people
gleeful
would have gone
that Modi
unchecked,
could not control the
since they were
flow of
heavily
arms inside
armed
Kashmir.
and
Now see the result.
with arms and ammunition, and it would have caused a great damage had they gone unchecked. But the larger point is, it reminds me of the promises and the claims made by the government when the Article 370
Who
was
sent the
abrogated.
truck?
That
Don't
once
make
the
a
article
larger
is
point. There is
abrogated,
only one
Article
larger
370
point,
is
Brigadier Anil
abrogated,
Gupta. Who sent the
there
truck?
won't be any infiltration.
Brigadier Anil Gupta, I will
things
not
will be
hear any
normalized.
larger point. The
There
larger
won't be
point
any
is who sent the truck,
militancy.
Ahmad
There is
Ayaz.
no larger
No,
point.
Brigadier Anil Gupta, who sent the truck to kill your people? Who sent the truck to kill Kashmiris?
Has been made by you.
Who sent the truck to kill Kashmiris, Ahmad Ayaz? Don't dodge my question.
Arnab, the larger
Ahmad
point
Ayaz,
has been
who
made by
sent
you.
the truck? Brigadier
Arnab,
Anil
please
Gupta is
listen to
asking
me.
you the same question. Brigadier Gupta.
I'm not dodging
The
my
larger
question.
point has been made by
You
you
are.
when you
Not
call
dodging
the
my question.
Gupkar gang.
You are.
My
That's the only
reply
larger
is not your
point.
question.
Because
Who
it's
sent the truck?
confirmed
Reply is
today
the same that this
they
has
are
been
the
happening
part of
for last
Ivy
so
League
many
of
years.
terrorism.
It's nothing
I
new.
say
Brigadier Anil
again,
Gupta.
But the point
it's
is in between a
confirmed
great
that the
development
Gupkar
that taking
gang is
place
part
by
of the Ivy
abrogation
League
of
of
Article
terrorism as
370.
well. And
That
that is
Article
why
370 will be
today none of the
abrogated
leaders of
and
the
things will
Gupkar
improve.
gang have
And things will be normalized.
condemned
And whether
Pakistan
the
and condemned
situation
this
is
act of
normalized,
terrorism,
that's really a big
whereas the
point now.
entire country is celebrating. Members of the Gupkar gang, Majid Haidri and all others, they are saying they are mourning. Mourning for what? Sir, why do you Mourning allow the these death of to happen? terrorists. This is what they Why want. is there so much of They intelligence want failure? Kashmir to burn. They want Kashmir to be set on fire. This
We
is
don't
what
say
these
no. We
Gupkaris
don't say
want.
no.
And now,
We don't
Arnab,
say
another
no
thing.
that the damages
The
might have been
speed,
caused. We
the
don't say
speed
that
at
they
which
were
they are
not
being
heavily
killed.
armed. We
It is
don't
the
And the
say
BJP
numbers
which has
are being killed
mismanaged
every
it.
say
day.
that.
The
It is the
Hoods in
BJP
general
which
have
has
also gone on
mismanaged it.
strike.
They were heavily
They
armed.
refuse to
They had been
entertain
heavily
them.
armed. Had
How
they
are they going to
been
motivate
gone
the
unchecked,
terrorists
then
now?
they would have
I'm
caused
very
great
sad.
damage.
I'm feeling very
But
sad.
the point
Yes.
is that the point
That
is
the
that what
point
about
for
the promises
mourning.
and the claims
Hoods
made
have
by the
gone on
government?
strike.
That
But
once the Article
nation is
370 is
elated.
abrogated and
We
things
have
will
avoided
normalize.
Stop doing your
a
And what
major
about that
terror
claim?
act
Why
in
don't you come
Kashmir.
on that?
I think
Major terror act, I
I
can
would
tell
appreciate if
you.
you please come on.
Gaurav and Vivek Jinping.
370 was the
Brigadier, stop your mic.
Ratan Chadha and Vivek Jinping.
I think you
Don't
are
keep on
dodging.
mumbling, jumbling.
I think you
29
are dodging.
grenades.
Ratan and Vivek.
This fellow is continuously
Ratan
mumbling,
Chadha,
jumbling.
stop this ranting
Where are the secret of
and stop
370?
making posters
370 was a
of all
temporary
the sensitive
article.
issues
And this
that the
Vivek,
nation is facing.
Mr. Vivek,
Kindly stop
your
it.
Communist Party
Any sensitive
was the
issue of the
first
nation,
one to
the Prime
support
Minister
sovereignty
and the
for
BJP.
Kashmir.
You
Go
just
back
start
to
marketing
reports.
it and you
Your
just try to
fanciful
get
couples,
election benefits.
Vedic couples
That is
sitting
what
in
you do.
Kashmir were promoting Sheikh Abdullah. They were the first one to
अरे भैया
pass
क्या
the
कश्मीर
resolution
कश्मीर को तो
to
खराब
pass
कर दिया
the
आपने
support for
370
sovereignty of
हटा
Kashmir.
के
Don't
you have
forget it.
mismanaged
अरे
Kashmir.
भैया, आप कौन सी
Kashmir was
किसको
always a
बता रहे
part of
हो?
India.
मैं आपको बताता
70
हूँ
साल से
किसकी?
कश्मीर हिंदुस्तान में था.
कम्युनिस्ट लोग सबसे
अब ये
पहले
आपने ऐसा
कश्मीर
mismanage
की
किया
आजादी
उसको.
के सपोर्टर थे।
सिर्फ election
आपको
लड़ने के
मानना
लिए.
पड़ेगा। आप केवल बड़बड़ मत करते रहिए। आप लोग सारे कश्मीर को भारत से अलग करना चाहते थे। ये हिस्ट्री है।
वोट मांग सकते हैं.
आप हिस्ट्री
आपको
बताइए
राम
कि
के पोस्टर
कश्मीर
चाहिए,
में
राम के
कम्युनिस्ट
नाम पे
पार्टी का
वोट
रोल
मांगिए.
क्या था?
इंडियन
क्या
आर्मी के
कश्मीर
नाम
में
पे आपको
कम्युनिस्ट
वोट
पार्टी
चाहिए.
ने
शहीदों
कश्मीर
के
की
नाम पे
आजादी के लिए
आपको
किया
वोट
था कि नहीं किया था?
यही बीजेपी
हम
का
सब
बेसिक काम है.
आप इंडियन आर्मी को
डेवलपमेंट आपके
बदनाम
पास का
करके
नहीं है.
वोट लेंगे। हम इंडियन
डेवलपमेंट
आर्मी
आपके पास का
को
नहीं है.
शाबाशी देके
कभी फौज
सैल्यूट
के नाम
करके
पे
वोट
वोट
लेंगे।
मांगो,
आप
कभी
उनको गालियां
पुलवामा
देके
के नाम
वोट
पे
लेंगे।
वोट मांगो,
हम सैल्यूट
कभी
करके
राम
वोट
के
लेंगे।
नाम पे
I will.
हम
Just 1
आर्मी
minute,
के ऊपर
That is what
सैल्यूट
the
नहीं
BJP
करते हैं।
does.
वोट आपके अगेंस्ट लोग देते हैं कि आप लोग लगातार
भैया, हम भी इंडियन
भारत के
आर्मी को
विरोधी
सैल्यूट
हो।
करते हैं.
आप
70
लगातार
साल से
भारत
कर
के
रहे हैं.
एकता के विरोधी हो।
1947
अब आप
से
चुप करें तो आपको
भारत की
वापस
आर्मी
बताओ।
पूजनीय है.
आप चुप करें
We
तो
love the
वापस
Indian
बताओ।
army. Nobody is against the Indian
Kashmir
army.
sovereignty
You-
was first
you politicize the army.
supported by
You
Communist
politicize the
Party.
police.
Your
That's the
people
problem.
dance when military
And you do it just for the
You people
election
dance when military people get martyred. You
Ratan
dance and
Sharda,
get
Ratan Sharda, I want to bring down the debate to one simple point tonight.
The armed forces are glorified.
I want to
Don't
bring
even
down
know
this
that.
entire debate, Ratan Sharda, to one point tonight. This entire debate now, and I think we've had enough. I want to play, first of all, full frame the pictures from Nagrota.
Where is Congress?
I want to play the pictures full frame from Nagrota. Viewers, you need to see it. You need to see it, and I just want to say something over the full frame pictures that are coming from Nagrota. I want you to see the pictures of the blasts. I want you to see the picture of this particular truck. Can it be run full frame, please? I want you to see the pictures of this particular truck at, first of all, when it was first caught at the Ban Toll Plaza. Can you please, viewers? First of all, can I have the sound up, please, viewers? Audio up of the blast. As you see these pictures, may I please say something in the ambience, please? Because I just want to tell you, whenever we report on issues such as this, we often believe that the pictures we are seeing are from very far away, and therefore we feel distant from the news. We feel this is happening somewhere in the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway. It can never happen close to us. I want to tell you, my dear viewers of the debate, can we stay on the pictures, please? I'll be most obliged. Thank you. Thank you. I want to run the pictures again, and I want us to stay on the pictures, because very often we believe that news is something that does not touch us. But the time must come when we begin to think that every incident about which we feel so far removed, if brought closer to us, would change our response to the news event. And so, viewers, remember, this truck could have come from the Jammu-Srinagar highway. It could have gone to Srinagar, it could have gone to Delhi, it could have gone to Jaipur. This truck could have gone to Bhatinda or Panipat. It could have gone further south. It could have gone to Bhopal. It could have gone to Mumbai. It could have gone to Pune. And just imagine, viewers, that this spectre of terrorism for a long time, because of the tough policies of the central government on internal security, have not allowed the percolation of RDX and such terrorist attacks in other parts of India. But should the people in Kashmir start thinking today that terrorism will not come back? Should we not say a thank you to the security forces who risk their life to carry out an operation like this? And for thankless people, Gaurav, thankless people like Majid Haidari, who will, despite seeing this, out of a fear, maybe they are afraid, they are cowards for their own life, will not speak the truth. The entire country has seen this today, and I want this to be a lesson for all those who take positions like supporting the Gupkar gang. Gaurav Arya, I think you need to say it straight to people like Wani Yasmin and Majid Haidari, please. Thank you.
Absolutely, Arnab. When I see these images, it fills me with a great deal of pride for the kind of work that our soldiers do, the kind of work our security agencies do. Like you very rightly said, Arnab, this truck could have gone anywhere. It could have gone to Bhopal. It could have gone to Mumbai. It could have gone everywhere. Majid, just keep quiet. Please shut up and let me talk.
No, sir,
I did not interrupt you. So please give me the courtesy. Please extend the courtesy of...
This truck was into sightseeing.
Hey, hold on. Majid, listen. Majid, hold on. Majid, listen, don't lie. Majid, you Pakistani, you so-called Indian traitor, don't lie. How do you know it was a chance discovery? Who told you? Who told you it was a chance discovery? Who told you?
How come they had...
Who told you? What do you mean, yes? Who told you?
Along with
Who told you?
Explosives? What were the intelligence agencies?
What do you mean a truck come into Indian territory? It has Indian number plates.
A truck going for sightseeing for
You see, Majid, will you just keep quiet and let me finish what I'm saying? Will you just allow me to complete, please? Will you allow me to complete? Or do you want this to be an abusive match? I can do that all night. आप बोल रहे थे, मैं कुछ नहीं बोला. मैं बोल रहा हूं, आप चुप रहे ना, please. Ji, thank you very much, sir. I appreciate your permission. Now, we must say a word of thanks to our security forces. Like Arnab said, this truck could have gone anywhere.
Anywhere.
This truck was headed to Kashmir because elections are around the corner, right? There will always be naysayers. There will always be people saying, no,
Wani
this
Yasmin,
happened,
Wani
no,
on the right.
that
Wani,
happened.
Wani.
No, I would like to address Wani also here.
Yeah, Wani on the right.
Yeah, and ask you, do you feel thankful? This truck, the weapons, the ammunition in this truck, 11 AK-47s.
Was aimed at killing Kashmiris.
Yeah, absolutely. This would have gone to the Kashmir Valley had it not been stopped. This would have resulted in a bloodbath in the Kashmir Valley. It was stopped without if and without but. I would like you, ma'am, today to say a very soft thank you to our security
Let her
forces.
say it and Anand will respond back.
That's
on the
all.
right. Wani and Anand. What first, Wani?
Exactly. Exactly.
Yes, so Arnab, you began with me, but unfortunately Vivek took my time. Miss Wani, please.
Arnab,
please take 30 seconds. Miss Wani, you will get your chance.
Okay, let Anand take his 30 seconds, Wani, and then you can respond.
Yes.
Arnab,
Yes.
Yes, I want to say something very important. Yeah, thank you, Miss Wani. Arnab, Kashmir has been turned into a snakes and ladders game. The ladders are provided by Pakistan and the snakes by Indians. And we know who these snakes are. Their first allegiance is to religion, second to Pakistan, third to China, fourth to dynasty. But the point is, BJP इन सांपों को दूध क्यों पिला रही है? ये बीजेपी कहती है कि नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ फारूक अब्दुल्ला ट्रेटर्स हैं, लेकिन लद्दाख में उनके साथ अलायंस है. इनफैक्ट लेट मी कोट द बीजेपी एमपी फ्रॉम लद्दाख, ही इज सेइंग हम अलायंस में हैं, हम खुल के हैं नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस से और आगे भी रहेंगे. कर लो, क्या कर सकते हो, हम अलायंस में हैं तो हैं. सो बीजेपी नीड्स टू आंसर दिस. एक तरफ इनको सांप और ट्रेटर्स कहते हैं, राइटली सो. दूसरी तरफ लद्दाख में इनके साथ अलायंस में, और ये कह रहे हैं बीजेपी एमपी का
संजू वर्मा needs to come in on that. Sanju in the middle.
लद्दाख की है वो, यस, बीजेपी नीड्स टू एक्सप्लेन. सांप को दूध पिलाना बंद करो. इनफ ऑफ दिस हिपोक्रेसी.
Sanju Verma, please, in the middle. I think Sanju needs to respond to the point by Anand. I see her hand up. Can she be in the middle of the screen? She responds.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Arnab, I want to make one quick point. Let me tell you categorically that time and again, the topmost leaders of the BJP have unilaterally condemned any inflammatory or anti-national statements, be it coming from the likes of Farooq Abdullah, Omar Abdullah, Mufti, or what have you. Point number two, as far as the elections that will start from November 28th and will be conducted in 8 phases and will end on December 22nd, let me tell you categorically here, as the national spokesperson of the BJP, we are contesting these elections, which include Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh alone, without being in alliance with anyone. We are contesting these elections alone, which means 230 urban local bodies, 1,200 panchayats and 280 district council seats. So I will only say this, at this point, we are contesting the local body elections, the panchayat elections and the very important district elections on our own as a standalone party. And I'm saying this on record. I think that should put to rest
Anand,
any doubts that anyone has about
Anand
where our loyalties lie.
Arnab,
that should put to rest any confusion in the minds of anyone on where BJP's loyalties lie.
Namgyal, and I'm quoting him. He says कि हम खुल के हैं, आगे भी full fledged रहेंगे.
That is the moot point.
This is what the BJP MP is saying.
District Development Council DDC elections.
Are you currently in alliance with National Conference or not?
Is secondary.
She's not letting me to speak.
We are contesting.
Please tell her to stop now.
Yeah, Wani Yasmin, carry on. Please, we have limited time. We need to rebut quickly.
Your own BJP MP.
Please tell her to stop. See, I hope she can understand. वहाँ पे जो alliance हो गई है, गुपकार alliance की हो गई है, she should have to understand BJP has no room in Jammu and Kashmir. BJP is not going to win any election in Jammu and Kashmir. No one is supporting BJP in Jammu. BJP has divided Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh. Understand this thing. You have no room in Jammu and Kashmir. What you are talking? Your DDC candidates are not able to go for the elections. Some people are, कुछ लोग फॉर्म ही विड्रॉ कर रहे हैं.
But Vani,
They are not able to go for a rally. They are not coming. They are not coming from the security zone. Understand hypocrisy of the BJP. They are not able to. They are not able to protect the Jammu and Kashmir BJP workers. How the BJP is going
but
to
Vani,
protect
leave
the
all
Jammu
this
and
aside.
Kashmir?
But Vani, leave all this aside. I'll only wrap up by saying, Vani, leave all this aside because I'm going to the next debate. You don't believe in the India. You don't believe in our tricolor. You don't believe in our constitution. You don't believe in our election commission. You don't believe in our borders. You don't believe in our rule of law. You don't believe in our courts. You don't believe in our media. You don't believe in our army. Then how do you want to fight the election? I still don't understand. That's the only question the nation wants to know.